Manifest money during sleep. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Manifest money during sleep. Here are just some of the ways to attract wealth faster than you ever thought possible. Ancient secret number 1: focus on a specific desire. We desire many things in our lives, including love, health, and wealth. In this article, we are focusing on money. The first secret to manifesting money is focus on a specific amount. It's easy to get caught up in fantasizing about money and riches beyond our wildest dreams, but we are not specific enough when you are doing it, so they are just dreams. When you focus on a specific amount, the dream becomes a reality. Focus on a specific amount of money, put a date on when you expect to manifest it, and make sure that it is believable. This is key. If you don't believe in what you are trying to manifest, then you won't be able to manifest it. It has to be believable. Ancient secret number 2: act as if it has already happened. You must act as if you have already manifested what you desire. Every day take time to imagine that you have already manifested the money. Imagine doing everything you would want to do with it. Spend it, give it away. Do whatever you want, but make sure you are enjoying yourself. The more you do this, the faster you are actually creating it. Decide today that each morning you will take a few minutes and really experience having money. Enjoy yourself and really feel the feelings, hear the sounds, and experience the emotions of having all that money. Ancient secret number 3: receive it. If you are following the first 2 secrets, then the universe is going to present you with a path. Along that path, it will manifest things to help you achieve great wealth, perhaps with a business proposition. Maybe you will win the lottery, maybe you will inherit a fortune. I can't tell you what exactly is going to happen, but when these moments arrive, it will feel natural and good to take them. They will bring you closer to the manifestation of money. Be willing to receive whatever the universe provides, and keep your mind open. If you are truly following these secrets, the paths will open up quickly. A final word. These are just some of the most powerful ancient secrets to manifest money. Follow them for anything you desire, and you will manifest them faster than you ever thought possible. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.